everybody, my name is Jason King and I'm about to show you how to transform a 97 Honda Civic Coupe without spending all this. So a little bit of a backstory behind this here project. I got it for free, $0, $0.99, free 99, clean title, decent interior, decent body, no engine, no transmission, so she gutless right now. I'm basically doing this on a complete bare minimum budget. Free 99 as much as I could go. Barter system, anything, you know, with the help of friends, time, information, knowledge, anything. So you could stay tuned and see what kind of swap we're going to go with. B, H, F, K, you never know. But if you'd like to stay tuned and see what we do with this baby right here, follow the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Now, let's show you all the car. Here is our gutless engine bay right now. Literally nothing, still got all factory D-series parts. But before long, you will see a true beauty, a true work of art come out of this thing. These ugly headlights, gotta go. This grill, gotta go. Radiator and fan, gotta go. And to be honest, they tried doing some body work on the bumper. New bumper will get replaced. Paint actually is not too shabby. Got a little dent right there. Paint's pretty decent. Let's go check out the backside. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Obviously I love to get rid of these stock headlights. I'd like to go with that 50-50, the red and clear. I love those. Not too bad for a free 99 car. 97 Honda Civic DX manual coupe. Let's see what the backside looks like. Yeah. Not too shabby. Got a transmission casing back there. And another thing, I'm no professional. I'm just a hobbyist, finding something that I like and I want to do it. I'm in no rush, so y'all stay tuned, and however long it takes to finish this project, hopefully y'all are there with me. Thank you. Now, let's get to taking some stuff off. Radiators out, fans out, these stupid clips out for this. Out of here. Some trash. Pretty much the part cemetery for this car. Should be full soon. Alright, so for now, I mean, no power tools. I've gotten off what I could. A lot of these bolts are super rusted on there, so I've got to wait for my buddy over at Dynasty Island's Finest. He's going to come on out and bring some power tools and give me a hand on this. Yeah, so y'all stay tuned.